Okay, today I'm here to fix this HVAC unit. This let us control to the unit, but I will be going up on the roof to look at the unit. Is set to 15 to cool, but cooling isn't coming on, so I'll keep you posted. So this is the unit I will be working on, and in the store it is set at 15 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna see why the air condition is not coming on. We're asking for cooling, but the unit is the cooling is not coming on, and this is a train commercial HVAC heating and cooling. But today we're looking at the cooling aspect and see why the heating or cooling system is not coming on. We'll keep you updated. Okay, so here's the control area. So I'm gonna just take this guy off. So you can see my control board. There's a green light showing there. My blower motor is energized. You can see this is energized. So this is my compressor. So I'm gonna just troubleshoot and see why the cooling system on this unit is it coming on. Okay, so I have my control board here with just green light showing. So that sounds to me that it's awaiting heating or cooling. It's awaiting heating or cooling. So I'm going to put a jumper between my arrow and Y1, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, so I put in my R1 and Y1 and my arrow. Yet it wouldn't come on, the compressor won't come on. So I'm going to read to see if I have 24 volt on my arrow here. So I'll keep you on. Okay, so here's my voltmeter. So I'm going to read this is my arrow, which is 24 volt here. See, I have 26 volt coming to my voltmeter here. So I have 26 volt coming, but let's check my Y1. Yeah, see 0 volt. Let's see why. See 0 volt. Okay, so I don't have voltage coming there. I'm gonna check more to see what's happening here. One thing I like about train unit, they have what is called a test 1 and test 2. So you just want to test and see what's going on here. So I'm gonna just test my heating and cooling. Yeah, so let's see what's going on. As you can see, my board has changed, so it's asking for cooling. It's asking for system to initiate. So compressor is gonna come on for about 30 seconds, and thereafter the heating will come on for about another 30 seconds once it's on this test. So we'll see what's going on. Okay, you can see my compressor kicking. Okay, my compressor kicking. But again, I'm not gonna. It's just gonna stay for about 30 seconds, and the compressor should kick out, and then it will go into the heating, and then it will also stay for another 30 seconds, and then it will as well kick out. So once it's on this test, it will be able to kind of pre-test both your heating and cooling unit. See, compressor just went off, so the heating should kick in. See, now my vent motor kick in. My vent motor kick in. So I'm not going to let the vent motor run because it's already really hot in the building. So I think I will now know that the problem is going to be the economizer, because my unit, I'm going to check what's going on my economizer. So I'm going to just shut this unit. So after doing this test, I begin to suspect that the problem will be the economizer. So here is the pin connector to the economizer on this control board of this train unit. Okay, so it's on P4. It's connected to P4, and you can see here I have red, blue, and 2 black. So this unit, this jack here, this jack on this board is connected in here. It's connected here. This is the economizer on this unit. This is the economizer, and here is the jack. See, this is the two black. This is my blue and red. So I can take it, I can disconnect it from here or disconnect it from here just for a trial. So I'm going to just disconnect it. Okay, so be careful. So I have disconnected it. So what I've done now, I've just eliminated the economizer on this unit. So I just want to try the unit and see if it's going to come on. So I'm going to turn it on. We'll see what's happening here. Okay, so I just turn on the unit. So we'll wait. It's going to take a few seconds, few minutes, and then we'll see what's happening. Okay, so you can see my unit kicking. So the economizer is disconnected from the board. So right now I'm running the unit without economizer. So by elimination, I have finally come to a conclusion that the main problem why the air conditioner wasn't running was because of this economizer. But so what could be the problem of this economizer? So there are two things here. The outdoor sensor needs to be changed or cleansed, or I just have to do some setting here. It could be the setting that needs to be adjusted. But however, the unit is running and the economizer is the problem. So you can see that this unit have been diagnosed, and you can see my blower motor. My blower, and here's my evaporator. So this unit is running now. Take you back again. Here's my compressor. Again, this is the wire connected to the economizer, disconnected. So this unit is working, and please subscribe to HVAC mechanical systems for heating, cooling, and refrigeration. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Thank you.